Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can customize and rearrange your home screen in the Xiaomi 13 Lite. So if you want to open the home screen settings, just hold the finger on the empty place on the home screen, not like this, not on the widget, on the empty place. And now we have the settings. So tap on it, and the first thing I'm gonna show you the transition effect. This is an effect when you're swiping the pages. So open the transition effect, choose your favorite one, and just click done. And now if you click accept, you can see the transition is changed. Okay, the next tip, open the settings, and here you can change the home screen layout. You can see now we have 4 apps in the row. We can change it to the 5 and 6 columns, like this one. Okay, now we can go to the more, and now we can change the -1 screen. This is the max of the left, and you can choose the upvote or the Google Discover with the Google Feed, Google Search Bar, etc. You can change also the animation speed to make your phone faster, the animation, the system navigation of course, and the icon size. If you want to change it, you can do it here. Okay, the next one, widgets. If you want to add any widget, just click here and choose your decided one. Just hold the finger on it and select the place. That's it. If you want to remove it, just hold the finger and click remove. If you want to make any folder, just hold it up, drop onto another, and yeah, we have a folder now. You can change the name here. If you want to remove the folder, just take out all of the apps to the home screen back. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.